I just wanted an update on this 2001 Mazda Miata with no crank, power loss, under acceleration, and it won't idle due to the fact of a Woodruff key on the harmonic balancer broke off. Firing ordered sparks incorrect timing, so therefore it causes poor performance or lack of spark and power. That crank pulley, amazing how I got it off. It broke off. The crank pulley is okay. Just cleaned it, it's not damaged. Broken Woodruff key causes to misfire or spark at an incorrect timing. Poor performance, no crank. And this is partial of the crank. Right there you see that little damaged portion. I think it'll be alright. Nothing else damaged except that Woodruff key. So hopefully John will be happy if and when this is fixed and correct. Just gotta clean that up real good. Make sure the seal isn't leaking. Kind of burred up a little bit right there. I think it'll be alright. And of course the radiator has to come out, have easier access. See you next time.